welcome back to Amethyst Adventures and happy Tablescape Tuesdays, brought to you by the ladies of Elegance. That is the Grace Life DIY home decor and myself. Links to both our channels as well as the playlist will be in my description box below. So let's jump into this beautiful red and white tablescape I am calling the sleigh ride. So I started off with some cute little red Christmas pillows that belonged to my mom. Came in with some red poinsettia placemats that I picked up on clearance last year. My everyday white dishes are paired with thrift Merry plates and a sleigh filled with poinsettias. So here we are at the reveal of our first tablescape. I laid down a flocked pinecone wreath underneath my sleigh and sat my sleigh tilted like it was flying off into the night sky. So I hope you like this one. Let me know what you think in those comments. But don't go away. I have a second tablescape look for you. If you're new here, let me welcome you to the channel for the very first time. My name is Courtney and I enjoy decorating, DIYs, thrift flips, tablescapes, and more. Honey, you're getting the whole lifestyle right here. So if you enjoy that type of content, you have reached the right channel. So sit back and relax while we jump into tablescape number 2. And that one I'm calling Poinsettias in Bloom. For this tablescape, I've come in with some poinsettia placemats and laid them end to end on the table to form a runner. Next, I have some red chargers that I picked up at HomeGoods. And the thrift find on this table are these beautiful poinsettia saucers with the matching pitcher that I put inside my domed cake platter. Absolutely gorgeous. Picked them up at the flea market, the complete set for $10. My florals and my drink I've put into clear glass containers, and then I laid some ornaments around the table. I finished the look with red and white napkins in gold napkin rings, gold coasters, and red glassware. I hope you like this second look too. Let me know what you think in those comments. If you enjoyed today's video, please give me a big thumbs up. It helps out so much. And consider joining the Amethyst Adventures family. It's free, it's quick, and honey, it's easy. Just go ahead and click on that red subscribe button and hit that notification bell so that you will know when I upload a brand new video. I hope this has given you some inspiration and motivation to start decorating for Christmas. And as a reminder to all of my fellow YouTube creators, Tablescape Tuesdays is every Tuesday at 6 p.m. Simply upload your Tablescape video and use our hashtag TablescapeTuesdays22. Thank you so much for watching today, and I'll see you next time.